So I do have another Hipdot palette for those of you who don't know, and I really like Hipdot. This is the newest one that I just got. It's I think Cenote is the it's so pretty. So my other one is all oranges and reds, and this one is all blue. I love blue. Blue is tricky, but these greens and blues just they have my soul right now. So I'm really excited to play with this palette, so we'll check it out. It is not a complete palette. You will have to mix it with another palette because it doesn't have your highlight colors. It doesn't have black, but it does have this beautiful range of blues, so I'm really excited about that. So, as you can see, Hipdot is fabulous. The shadows blend really well. The colors are phenomenal. All the tones work together with this palette. I'm very happy with it. I don't like when they have odd mixed tones, but all the greens work together, all the blues work together. Everything is just beautiful. I am in love with this palette and I cannot wait to use it all the time. Until next time, everyone, I will talk to you later.